Good morning students. Let's start today's class. Yesterday we have done up to exercise 3. Okay, we have completed exercise 3 and today we will start exercise 4. In exercise 3 we have discussed about international place value chart and Indian place value chart. How you will write in the words as well as how you will write in figures. Clear? Okay, now we will start exercise 4. Come to question number 1. In question number 1, find the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following numerals. The numbers are given and there is one digit which is underlined. You have to write the place value, that whether it is in ones place, whether it is in tens place or thousands place. Okay, so you have to write in words, you have to write the place value, and this you will write according to the Indian number system, means you will give the commas according to the Indian number system. Clear? Let's start. Question number 1. Suppose question number 1A. 1A is 10,791. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It is given 10,791 and the underlined digit is 9. You have to write the place value. So what will be its place value? Here directly you will write the place value. Okay, so 9 is in tens place. So you will write 9 tens or 90. Okay, 9 tens or 90. Now similarly number C, 4, 6, 307. Now here the underlined digit is 4. Now start reading from the back, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and this is 10,000. So what you will write? 4, 10,000 or simply 40,000. Okay, see here when we are writing 4 10,000, 10 itself means it is 4 into 10 means it is 40,000. Clear? That's why we are writing 4 10,000 or 40,000. Next, suppose we are doing number E. Number E 8, 37, 209. See here the underlined digit or the numbers are given in Indian number system. The commas are given in Indian number system. That's why you will answer in the Indian number system. Okay. For number E, the digit 8 is underlined. Now read from the back. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then 8 lakh. So you will write 8 lakh or 8 then okay, it will be 8 lakhs, sorry, not lakh, it will be 8 lakhs or 8 lakh in words as well as in figures. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, for question number 1, the rest of the thing you will practice yourself, rest of the questions. Now question number 2. Question number 2, find the place value of each of the digits in the following numerals. Now here it is given, you have to write each of the digit. Okay, so just I am rubbing. For this you have to write the place value of each digit. Suppose I am writing number B. It is given 61450. Okay. Which of the questions we are leaving, that you will practice at home. Okay. Because such a small time we cannot complete all the exercises, all the questions of all the exercises. That's why you will practice whichever I am leaving. You will practice of your own, and if you have any type of doubts, kindly know me over the e-portal. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Number B I have written 61, then 450. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. You will start writing from the place value chart from the ones place. Okay. So first you will write, not here, I am writing below. Okay. So place value of 0. Place value of 0 is 0. Wherever the 0 is, always the place value of 0 is 0. Okay. If it is in ones place, if it is in tens place or 100 place, wherever it is, you have to write the place value of 0 as 0. Now next, the place value of 5. It is in tens place, so you will write 50. Then place value of 4. It is in 100 place, so you will write 400 or 400 like this, in words as well as in figures. Here also in words as well as in figures. Next one, place value of 1, that is 1000 or 1000. Then next is place value of 6. It is 60,000 or 10,000. Okay. So this way you will write each and every place value digits. Clear? So the rest you try at home. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, find the difference between the place value and face value of 6 in 4,61,503. Here you have to find the difference between place value and face value. The place value, you know that in which place the digit is, but face value means what the digit is given. Okay, suppose here it is given 6, the face value will be 6 itself. If it is given 7, the face value will be 7 itself, means the face, the number itself. Okay, not the period, means whether it is in ones place, tens place, thousands place, whichever. Face means only the number. Okay, now let's do it. The difference, I am rubbing again. This is question number 3. So you have to find the difference. First you write place value. The number is given 4,61,503. So place value of 6 is equals to, 6 is in thousands place, sorry, 10,000s place. So it will be like this. And face value of 6 is only 6. That means here. Now subtract. After subtraction, this 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 9, 9 and 5. That is 59,994. So this is the answer. Clear? Number 4 and 5 are the same questions. You try at home of your own. Clear? Now that's all for today. We will do it in the next class, the next questions. Thank you all of you.